So you have 300 VA transformer. It's just a 300 VA. So its capacity is 1.3 ampere. Are you looking after the ampere rating of a transformer or a transmission line first to find out the ABCD parameter?
What?
To find out the ABCD parameter,
Yes.
you will be considering a transmission line current, maximum current, or a short circuit current of a transmission line, or a short circuit current of a transformer.
Transmission line ABCD values depends on sending end as well as receiving end voltage and current values.
Yes, voltage and current values. So you will be considering a short circuit value of a current
Right.
in a transmission line,
Transmission.
not in a transformer.
Transformer.
So my transformer capacity is 1.3, but my transmission line capacity is 0.2. So at short circuit range, whenever the 0.2 current increases, it gets shorted like that. Okay. So when you are performing an open circuit, you will go up to the rated voltage, that is 220. When you are performing a short circuit test, you have to go up to 0.2. You can go up to 1.3. The same values will be indicating, but to get a preferred values, you can go up to 0.2 or 0.3.
A short circuit.
And in SIL, surge impedance loading, what is the thing you have to do is, what exactly it happens is, the voltage, the power rating will be rising up to the mark, and again it dips. So you have to note on the peak value. That is a surge impedance loading value. That is a
Square
peak.
root of n by R.
That is a peak voltage, peak load that the transmission line can withstand to it. After that, again the efficiency decreases, or before that, again the efficiency decreases. At the peak value, it gives maximum efficiency. So only we perform the SI, surge impedance loading. Next is impedance meter. So in impedance meter, as ma'am said, it works as Z is equal to V by R. Whenever the voltage varies or the current varies, depending on that, depending on the impedance value, it shows the distance, or what is the distance the fault has been occurred. Like whenever your fault has been occurred at second bisection, so it is 200 kilometers. At third bisection,
300,
300. At fourth bisection,
400.
400, but it does not happen. It does not happen. Because at the end line we cannot have any faults. And I prefer you should not do at the first bisection. Because the current, inrush of the current will be maximum.
Only
Second and
third.
third. And fourth also you can make it, but you have to vary the voltage by manual. And these are the load terminals: the resistive load, inductive load, and a capacitive load. Shall we start with?
Yeah.
We need a flash also.
त्यांचं असं म्हणणं आहे फॉल्ट फर्स्ट 100 जे किलोमीटर आहे त्याच्यामध्ये इनरश करंट हाय असतं ना, त्याच्यामुळे मग सेकंड आणि थर्डला प्रेफर कर.
प्रेफर करा लास्टला नाही, फोर्थला.
Always we have to perform in these steps. Yeah. Only we are performing in the last two
दॅट विल बी
sections.
सेफ
For
200
that is a
किलोमीटर and
precaution
300
distance production, right?
Yeah.
Second and third. Second and third will be fine, sir.
Okay.
Because first means you have to, the current will be high. When you are keeping at 220 voltage, the current will be high. As in a generator. So I was keeping at 100 volt and then I have to create a fault. That's it. And these are the clips. As I said, we are given the open bisections. So from here to here, we don't have any connection. From here to here, we don't have same such
We
that
have
we
to
not
connect.
having. You have to connect. So you need all the four bisections or 2, 1, 3, whichever. So till the end, you can just connect it.
शॉर्ट ट्रान्समिशन लाईन, लॉंग
Yes,
ट्रान्समिशन लाईन.
exactly.
Medium, long.
So in this, only medium and long. Because till 80 kilometer, it represents
Below 80 kilometer is a short
Short.
transmission.
So more than 80, it is medium. So whenever you're performing a medium transmission line, you can just connect it to 2 terminals. This creates a
Medium transmission
This gives a medium transmission line for ABCD parameter for medium transmission line. When you need it for ABCD parameter for long transmission line, you can just connect the
Second.
Third.
Second. Second or third?
Third.
Third.
This is first, it is connected to
This is
second,
first.
Second.
and this is second is connected to third.
Third.
Internally connected.
No, internally it has not been connected.
Okay,
Yeah,
right, right.
connected
This is
externally.
connected, this is
This is
connected,
second.
not internal. Already connected with this.
Now it is long transmission line.
Line.
Now I'll explain how the polarizer will be connected. We remove these two connections.
Are you going today?
You have to connect an ammeter in series with the
After dinner.
transformer and a transmission line. Fine. So you'll start it over here.
कशाला टाकतात उडी? संपले असतील पण.
Next you'll get for S1 terminal, current terminal. The other terminal of the current meter or an ammeter will be connected for a transmission line. Is your ammeter is connected in series with the transmission line? Next is voltmeter.
Across.
Exactly.
नवीन अवस्था.
हा ना.
Fine. So now you can observe voltage and a current reading sending end terminals. And one more thing, you have not connected your neutral point. That is the return path. Fine. At the receiving end.
I will be coming
Yes,
back.
ma'am.
I will be coming back on a call.
Sure, sir.
1 hour from I will be coming. Till that you can आणि ते इथं मिड टाइम जे आहे ना हे करून हे करायचं आहे इन्फॉर्मेशन घेऊन जायचं नाही मी ते
This one is
उत्तर
now your transmission line receiving end terminal is being connected to a
हो हो
ammeter.
तुम्ही जर आज नाही ते जातील ते सगळं ऍक्टिव्ह करून जातील मध्ये जातील ते. आणि नंतर नोट वगैरे बनवून आणि काय नोट करतील
Why we are taking these 2 points?
Exactly. I was required with these questions. Whenever the capacitance can occur or may not occur. So by removing the capacitor also you can test your transmission line. By adding the capacitor also you can test your transmission
I
line.
can add the capacitance in this also.
Yeah, external capacitance also you can just add to it.
Okay.
See, I have removed the capacitance of the line to neutral.
Means C5
Huh?
is removed.
C5 is removed. If you want, you can just connect to it.
Okay. Because
What
the
is the value for-
transmission line is all depends on the capacitance.
Yes.
This is very important.
कनेक्शन जरा हेक्टिक असतं ते कळायला
Fine.
थोडं हे.
Now you can perform an open circuit test. Whenever you want to perform a short circuit test, you can directly connect this to terminal to
Right.
new.
Return this short.
Shall we perform the open circuit test? To perform the open circuit test, you have to go up to a rated voltage. This is a protection for their means LCD. What is your sending end voltage?
228.
Yes.
What is your receiving end voltage?
251.
251.
Exactly. So that is the Faraday effect acting in a transmission line. Why the Faraday effect exists?
Capacitance.
Because of our capacitance. If you want, you can just note down and you can calculate the ABCD parameters.
Right.
And then
That is one formula. Vm is equal to
यहाँ से क्या बताया तुमने कैपेसिटर
No, I have not removed it. Yes, directly connected. I have not removed.
You have removed the C5 no something.
No, I have
Or you
again
only
connected.
only
Just I have showed it. Okay, remove.
then
10 millihenry for 100
that
kilometers.
is mentioned.
Yeah, it has been
in the
mentioned.
specification they had mentioned.
110 millihenry for 100 kilometers and 5 ohms for 100 kilometers and C is 0.45 microfarad.
See, inductance, resistance and capacitance.
specification. आता कुठं खाली बोलव.
तुमच्याकडे दोन करायला.
हां नाही पकड.
मामा हे सगळं रेकॉर्ड करायचं बरं का?
हो
एक सुरू सोडायचं ना काहीच. नंतर लागतं आपल्याला. Yes, yes, yes.
The transmission line capacity is 0.27. Okay, short circuit can be done up to 0.27.
दुपारून सांगू का दुपारून पाठवतो.
सांगा ना ते आता डेमो चालू आहे ना सर्वांना आहे ना.
701 फोन आलता
नाही थोडा इन्स्ट्रक्शनसाठी बोललेलं असेल सर.
इन्स्ट्रक्शनसाठी नाही खाली
खाली
कोणी
कोणीच नाही
बसायला
बसायला तुला बोलून
बेलिमला बसवा ना म्हणा तिला काय काम आहे.
खाली कुंभार मॅडम वगैरे बसून
मला माहिती नाही ते एकदम आले आणि गेले ते. सांगता येते ना फोन करून की दोन आम्ही ते दोन दुपारनंतर बसतील. बाबा दोघी पण बसले तर दोघी पण दुपारनंतर बसतील असं. बसतील ना नाही थोडी तर नाही थोडी म्हणणार आहेत. हां
So you have to,
शॉर्टेड.
yeah, I have cut it short. It's total movement.
तिकडे पॉलीमध्ये आज
The short circuit current is voltage is 49.12, sending end and receiving end is 0 as it is shorted. Current is 0.29, sending end current is 0.6. You calculate the ABCD parameters.
IS divided by IR, these. At VR is equals to 0 and VS divided by IR, that what will be calculated.
फर्स्ट कंडिशन इज फॉर
Open circuit.
Open circuit.
And second condition
Now-
for short
शॉर्ट
circuit.
शॉर्ट सर्किट. रिसिविंग.
Shall we go for the relay operation?
Hmm.
Now, you have to create a fault and observe it. Is the fault, whenever a transmission line, it will be run in a long way. So you cannot just assume to it at this kilometer and or at this distance only the fault has
Fault
been
has
occurred. So we are placing an impedance meter. So impedance meter will be worked on V by
V
I.
by I.
So it is going to be V by I. So you will be keeping in maximum voltage. You will be keeping in maximum voltage. Now you have to create a fault at 200 kilometer line or 300 kilometer. So shall I remove this?
On 200.
डिस्टन्स कसं आहे
एक पाय जो आहे तो 100 किलोमीटरचा, मग तो 4 सेक्शन आहेत म्हणून 400 किलोमीटर. नाही बरोबर मी ठीक केलं. How is getting the ball? खाली बॉल टर्मिनल आहे त्याला.
Similar to that.
हे
So
इथे
at switch position 1 it is open and switch position 2 it is closed. Okay. So I have given here off and on condition. Whenever it is in on condition, these two terminals will get shorted out.
शॉर्टेड ना, दॅट इज
So through wire I have connected the two terminals. So these two
Direct.
terminals will have continuity.
Z is equal to 90%.
So Z is equal to 90%. Fault time is, fault kilometer is 362 kilometers. Trip time is 3.33.
So everything is, it is mentioned.
Shall I create a fault at 200 kilometers?
Reading will be
Reset.
the same na every
हाँ
time.
एवरी टाइम डिस्टेंस रीडिंग
Distance reading should not be same, right?
Always that fault is up around same terminal, no?
Same terminal, same time setting will be there.
And it depends on V by I, right? So whenever you vary the voltage, if you give 230 by 1 ampere only, it is 100%.
If I want the ratio to be changed, or that impedance to be changed, I need to change the input side
V by,
voltage.
yeah.
I have to.
Yes, exactly.
It's all depends on
V, only V. We're not able
Voltage.
to change the current.
Fine.
How many?
Shall I short it?
Yes, sir.
36.
So 56% of the impedance, voltage is 208, current is 1.6, fault kilometer is 227, and trip time is 1.58 seconds.
Definitely.
Trip time is changing.
टाइम इज डिक्रीजिंग
As the
200
distance
kilometer.
decreases, the the ingress of the current will be high.
Okay.
So it should be trip
Minimum.
So it will operate like normal inverse 1.3. Whenever the current increases, the time decreases.
It's an inverse time release. This is static type of relay, no? You have said. Which type of
Impedance relay. Which type of relay? is this?
Impedance is microprocessor.
Yeah, it's numerical. Numerical. Static पुढचं याचं वाटतं.
Now we perform once, so then we can go for SI.
Yes.
SI, search impedance.
Search impedance loading.
करून घ्यायचं.
लोडिंग चेंज करता है रेजिस्टिव इंजेक्टिव कैपेसिटी
Load testing is
Okay. You can.
Here you have an
Inbuilt आहे ते.
ऑलरेडी आतमध्ये आहे रेजिस्टिव
जसं ते
resistive load, inductive load, capacitive load.
Similarly, 3 याच्यावरती घेऊ शकतो. म्हणजे ट्रान्समिशन लाईन लोडिंग.
And these are the terminals for resistive load, variable resistor, variable inductor, variable capacitor. So when you want to do perform for RL load in series, you can just connect it as load terminals from here to here. Load terminals output to the load terminals. So this is under the off condition. When you turn it to the other side, you will get the on condition. So you will be adding a load.
Okay, sir. You can remove all these and Hazard can perform.
Sure.
Final to Mazar.
व्होल्टमीटर पॅरलल
ॲमीटर सिरीज
हां पहिल्यांदा ओपन सर्किट सेकंड
Do you have to perform the distance protection or open circuit test?
Both. Because what happens, sir?
Yes, sir.
Uh,
Sir, please don't
whatever
call me
will be
sir.
the
Please. Please don't call me sir. You can call me as a brother.
the professional ladies, we have to say, sir. In the previous demonstration, what happened? They are showing all the things, but at the time of whenever we are performing the practical, we are facing different problems. That's why, okay, sir, I am performing.
I said right. Till 9 o'clock I will be here.
No problem. Before 9 o'clock, you can free. Don't take tension about it.
Emitter in series. Madam,
No, sir.
So these how many experiments are there?
So this is one experiment and mode of production. I think mode of production.
That can be completed in
Mode of production can be completed in 2 hours. This can be completed in half an hour.
You can be before 9 o'clock.
second to first.
No. This terminal should be completed. These are the ammeter connections. Next.
Second.
कोणतं पण कुठे नाही.
नाही.
हाँ वो कैंटीन चालू का काम करायला
तुम्ही आज दुपारून जाताय का उद्याची साईड आजच घेतली सर येता येते 1 वाजता म्हणले मला वाटलं तुम्ही सगळे दुपारून चालता
You are taking the sending in of
नाही, आज दुपारून
Can I get that fuse was today?
What is the rating for that?
2 ampere. Over 3 ampere.
Is short?
Yeah, it is shorted.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
This
Is it fine?
Yes.
Till now, is it fine? Look it once more. It should be in a closed path.
इथे काही होतं का इथे हे कॅपॅसिटर कनेक्ट
Leave this impedance meter. So other than that, is it fine? It should be in a closed path.
कॅपॅसिटर इज नॉट कनेक्टेड स्टील नाउ
It is being connected. We are connected.
हे सगळे कॅपॅसिटरचेच
Have you connected the neutral to neutral?
No.
Because the receiving end and sending end should not get mixed up.
Same line.
Yeah, same line. The receiving end should not be mixed within sending end.
Sending in.
You can just have to, or you can just do it.
Once again.
Yeah, sure. Sufficient. Yes.
It is in working, no?
Yeah, now it's working,
Uh,
but I have to give you for your spare. I have created a fault and I have thrown it. You have given this spare, but I have created a fault and I have known it. So I asked you to accept it.
for the performance we required.
Yeah, for the performance now it's there.
Okay, okay.
For the
For the extra. For the future purpose. सांगितलं
त्याला नाही ते त्यांचं कोणतं बिल द्यायचं राहिलं करू सर
मग ते
Shall we start it for the
बाहेर भेटेल आपल्याला हे नाही भेटणार तिथं नाही भेटणार
आपल्याकडे 5 अँपिअरचे आहे 2
3 amperes आहे.
ते शेख सरांच्या याच्यामध्ये होतं
तीन
फिरोजचा
amperes
भाऊ
आहे.
पहा तुम्ही कोणता आहे दादा सर एक
I
मिनिट
think you may be having in your electronics.
BTCला विचारते
Shall I repeat these functions?
काय
No, I have to tell you, right? Shall I start this and ask you?
काय one stroke you are explaining for. Don't you think it will be get jumbled?
No, I'm not explaining. Definitely you will not get jumbled now. Because all the panels are similar kind of thing.
स्टॉप करा स्टॉप करा
Hmm?